Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am discussing the April giveaway. Yes, if you missed it, all 2024, I've been giving away nail items. January, I gave away something. February, I gave away something. March, I gave away something. And now it is April. And if you want to see all those videos, I have them linked in the description. First, if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, thank you. I appreciate each and every last one of you. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's get straight into the video. These are the items for April's giveaway. I'll go ahead and briefly discuss what they are. These are a 3-pack nail files. This is a buffer block. And this is a set of 6 gel polish from Beetles. And guess what, guys? It's just in time for spring. Check out these beautiful colors. I'm not going to open the package, but it's called the Rainbow Kingdom. And the colors are perfect for spring and summer. You guys will need a UV or LED lamp to cure this polish. So if these items is something that you need to add to your collection or start your collection, I'm going to need you to get in on this giveaway. And the rules are simple. Here it is. The giveaway starts April 7th and ends April 20th. The winner will be announced April 21st. To enter, you simply have to drop in the comment section right now under this video who you would like to win for. Example, if you want to win these items for yourself, go ahead and say, I would like to win for myself. If you want to enter for your daughter, niece, granddaughter, cousin, granddaughter, go ahead and simply say, I would like to enter for my, and list whoever it is you would like to enter for. Simple enough, right? I will choose a random winner. The winner will be announced April 21st. You have 48 hours to notify me, or I will select another winner. Now, in order to get these items, you have to be willing to give me your P.O. box or a shipping address so I can mail these items to you. If you're good with those simple entry rules, go ahead and enter in now. I would like to thank everybody that has been participating in my giveaways. We've had a different winner every month, and we're about to have a new winner for the month of April. And all 3 of these prizes will be shipped right to you, expenses on me. So if you can use this 6-piece gel polish with these beautiful colors, a buffer block, and a 3-pack of nail files, go ahead and enter. Good luck to everyone. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.